SoundHound is one of the few companies that can take advantage of the AI frenzy currently occurring at every business across the globe. We know very well that this is also a company that is working to integrate voice assistants into vehicles and restaurants, both of which could bring in more than $500 million a year to the company, according to the folks at Investor Place. So the stock closed at $4.71, a gain of 12.14%, and an analyst at Cantor Fitzgerald more than doubled the forecast on price target on the stock to $6.2 from $2.8, and they're also saying that the stock can actually rise higher than it can. So a few sessions ago it reached a 52-week high, I believe. This is definitely a 52-week high. Let's see. This is 4.65. This is 4. Yeah, definitely at a 52-week high at as things stand right now. And it was also recently included in the Russell 2000 index, and it's going to contribute to some extent to help that index, look like what the S&P 500 looks like. Okay, so we have that target here mentioned, $6.2. So SoundHound stock appears to be in a strong bullish trend. 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero. It's also outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum is also strongly bullish on the stock. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is above 80, the level which many analysts call overbought. This means that investors have been actively purchasing shares and driving the price higher. The volume for this session that it has just ended was heavier than usual. Trading 28.723 million shares versus an average of 7.034 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. They are active the buyers are more active than sellers, and they're also paying high prices for SoundHound stock. So right now let's have a look and see what the projections are on its the only projection we can rely on is right now on its 45-minute chart. It has a projection of $4.81, but also downward projections of 4.6, 4.5, all the way down towards 4.04. That's on its 45-minute chart. Let's look at the 1-minute chart. In the 1-minute chart we have projections similar to what we have in the 45-minute chart. 4.82 on the weekly chart. There are no projections there. On the monthly chart, let's see, no projection there. On the daily chart, it has surpassed its upper projections. It has surpassed all of its upper projections. No further projections so far, but we can actually project a few things from what we have seen here. We can take what happened as of last week, as of Thursday of last week. We take this high of peak of 4.07, and take this deep of 3.66, 4.07, so get 4.09 and 3.66. That will give us 0.75. If you that's the difference between those two prices multiplied by 2.618, we have 1.9635, and we add that to the current price of 4.71. That's our own projection, 6.6735, similar to what the folks at Cantor Fitzgerald projected. So 6.67 for SOUN stock. See what you make of it, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.